Breaking news for all Olymp traders, you can now get a bonus of up to 100% on all deposits. This new core feature was inspired by Olymptrade's CARE concept, which brings confidence to new and experienced traders. You can like and subscribe as soon as possible. That way, the developers will know you like this news and will... We have more details about the bonus coming in right now. Are we live? Absolutely, I've tried it myself. Oh, good day, Gasper. Indeed, this deposit bonus or welcome bonus for fresh traders is about to be the biggest game changer for all Olymp traders. Here's how it works. A trader makes a deposit, claims the bonus of up to 100% of the deposit, keeps trading to reach the target amount, completes the trading task, and gets a reward. And the best part, the deposit, real profit, and reward can all be withdrawn. You've just heard the news, traders, and it seems we can all make some good gains from it. But let's do a brief analysis. What are the benefits of this bonus? Mainly extra funds for trading and therefore more opportunities for success. So while before your deposit would be all you have to trade with, now you have even more funds for trading even if you deposit the same amount. What does this mean for new traders? More confidence and a smoother start for your trading journey because you can do more with the same deposit and more opportunities to expand your gains. What does this mean for experienced traders? Practically speaking, investment hedging, because you can expand your trade dynamics with less risk to your own funds. Now, I want to try it myself to see how it works. So, let me get the bonus in the app so we can see it all together. So, I'm making a deposit now, and that's it. I got my bonus already. So I have more funds for trading now. Now maybe I can make one small trade and then withdraw all my funds together with the bonus. Gasper, didn't you hear you have to complete the trading task first? It's simple. Just trade as usual, check your progress in the unlock your reward section and top up a balance if needed. You have to reach your target amount to complete the task and get the reward. Only then can you withdraw your funds and the reward. Alright, I got it. Just one task. Seems doable for an active trader, but it's always good to know what the details are. You can check those out over the link in the description. So again, make a deposit to get your bonus. It will be up to 100% of the deposit amount. Keep trading, check your progress in the unlock your reward section, then reach the target, get notified when you hit it, and get your reward. That's it. You can withdraw your funds and the reward. We are coming into some interesting times for trading, so don't miss out. Get your bonus and see for yourself. The link is in the description. And by the way, did you know that you can deposit crypto on Olymptrade too? You can get even more perks if you do. Check it out here. Now, that's enough news for today. Have a good one, traders.
Olymptrade. Care that counts.